Hi everyone. So today we're going to be unboxing a package, new Fenty highlighter and lip gloss.
We're so excited.
I know, I can't wait.
We've had this box in our room for 2 days.
True. I don't even know. You hid it from me.
I did not.
You said tell me about it.
Can you just hurry up?
Sorry. Ooh.
Oh, I used that with my points. Some of my points, like I think that was 100.
Primer? How cute.
Yeah, I think that was 100 points, and I just wanted to try. Oh, it's so adorable.
That's so cute.
Put it down a little bit. Yeah.
The packaging is really cute too for being a sample.
I know, it's adorable.
Yeah, that's really cute.
So cute.
It's like a pretty good size. I feel like it's a good amount to test.
And
Oh my
it's
god, what else did you
their pro
get?
filter. What else did I get?
This? Lip treatment?
Oh, maybe that was 100 points too?
I have one of these. I actually like it. It smells really good.
Oh, maybe I did get that. So I have a bunch of
Smells
points,
really
but like
good.
there was nothing that...
I like it. I have that
Oh,
one.
it smells good. What color is it?
Sugar Rose? Is that what it is?
If
Or
it'll
rose?
focus.
Yeah,
But it's just a little tiny...
lip balm. Super cute. It smells really good. It's a
I'm
good
just gonna
size
throw that
too.
in my purse. Yeah.
Okay.
Does it have color?
Just like a little pink. And then what is this?
Those are just all our samples.
Yeah. Shampoo and conditioner. That's always good. Cologne. What is this?
Oh, I think that was the sample thing. It was like a... You know when you put in a code?
Yeah, you got this?
Like, it was like a hair one.
Yeah. This is Protect and Prevent spray.
And then some Moroccan oil.
Yeah, leave-in conditioner.
Yeah, I think there was a code and like you can get like a bunch of like hair samples. And I just...
That's really
I'd
good.
love to try all those.
Anti-frizz. Another anti-frizz.
Oh.
Style extender. Regenerating mask. I was just saying my hair feels like dry as
Crap.
heck. Yes.
Crap.
Super moisture shampoo, shampoo and conditioner. Ooh, deep treatment butter. That sounds
Ooh.
nice. And then more shampoo and conditioner. Wow, this is really good. It's not even the good
That's
part
not
yet.
even, I know.
Okay,
It's just
what
the
should we do
sample.
first? Oh my god, they look so
Okay,
pretty.
have to sit comfortably.
Okay, so we'll do the highlighter first. Oh, it's really pretty. Here's the box. It's the Diamond Balm All Over Diamond Veil in how many carats? How cute.
Oh my god, it's so pretty.
Oh,
Ooh.
it's so beautiful.
Okay, so like when what looks dusty. When I saw it first,
Wow, that
I
is
thought it was
so
silver.
pretty.
It's kind of like a blush.
Yeah. Yeah, it is. It's so pretty. And it's plastic. That's nice. It won't break. Ooh, and it has a good mirror too.
So
Oh my
pretty.
god. That is really pretty. I'm so
Oh my god,
excited.
touch it.
Oh wow. It's actually like
Okay, I want to.
not as squishy as
Oh, it's kind of drier.
it's kind of like a powder a little bit. We have this Stila one. We have a video on that. The Stila, what is it? What is it called?
I don't even know what it's called.
Yeah, the Stila like squishy highlighter that looks pretty similar to this, but that one is a lot more soft and squishy. This one.
Squishy.
Oh. Wow. That is so pretty. It doesn't feel like tacky or
It doesn't feel
like
sticky
wet or anything.
wet.
No, it really does feel like
Move your hand.
powdery. That is so beautiful. I can't wait to put this all over my face and my body.
That's so pretty. Okay, but when I was rubbing it on my hand right now, it was kind of like the glitter was kind of
Yeah, it's not like the glitter does.
move.
You can see it's already like.
So
going
maybe
on
if
my
you like
arm.
spray your face first
Yeah.
and then put it, maybe it'll set it like
It'll
instead of
stick.
it glitter moving all over the place.
Yeah, that is just so pretty.
Because the
though.
Stila one is like it's like softer, like
yeah,
that.
kind
It
of like a cream highlighter.
yeah, that it kind of stays. I
It
don't know. This
stays
is
in
kind of like
place.
I don't want glitter all over.
Yeah, I know, but
Just where I put it.
okay. Test out. It's so pretty. It looks really. That on like
Oh my
your collarbones would be so pretty. Yeah.
On your décolletage?
Yeah. Are you so close to me?
Like this?
Okay. So then the next thing is the gloss bomb. And
Oh my
I
gosh,
said that we
so
have the gloss
excited.
bomb in Diamond Milk. I'm really excited for this.
So pretty.
I can't wait.
You're gonna have to put it on.
I know. Oh, it is so pretty.
Oh, look at how cute. So it's just like the same, like the...
The original gloss bomb.
Yeah.
Is it this color too, or is this different? It's like more silver.
Yeah, this is again like the blush color on top.
Mm-hmm. Ooh. So excited. Smells
Smells
the
the
same.
same?
Yeah, I'm gonna smell.
Ooh, it's so fruity. I love
Is the
it.
brush smaller?
No,
Are you sure?
I can check. Put it on, put it on. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty.
It smells so good.
I like that it doesn't look white. Like, that's what I thought it was gonna look. It just looks glittery.
You have glitter on your face.
How? I didn't even touch my face.
I know, it's like right here. Okay.
So pretty. No, swatch on the other hand, that's all full of glitter. Oh my gosh. That's so pretty. Yay, can't wait to use it.
That is so...
Are you gonna use it tomorrow?
Yeah, probably. And this highlighter too. Everything. All over my face.
Alrighty.
Really excited. It's really pretty. It feels good.
Oh, it looks so pretty. It really does.
Good. Okay, well, I don't know, what do I say? Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this quick video. Yeah.
Oh, you can see me. Yeah.
I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Super quick and easy. And don't forget to subscribe. Please give this video a thumbs up. We'd really appreciate it. Yeah, thanks for watching.
Bye.